Hello, in front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our Smartband. To do it, simply press the touch sensitive buttons on the side of both sides of the device. So basically this and this one. We need to press them together like this to wake up the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can press and hold the touch sensitive buttons to open the quick menu. And here you can scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, DND, and tap on it to enable the mode, like this. And once you enable the mode, you can press the buttons again, touch sensitive buttons, to go back. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick or shortcut panel again by pressing and holding the touch sensitive buttons like that, and then scroll through the menu, tap on the icon again to disable it, and then you can press the buttons again. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through settings, so we can wake up the screen on our band, swipe down on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, find the option called Do Not Disturb, this one, tap on it, and here we can enable it by tapping on Do Not Disturb to switch it to on, and you can go back by pressing the buttons again, like that. And to disable it, simply open the settings again, tap on Do Not Disturb, and tap on it to switch it to off. And again, you can press the buttons to go back to home screen like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.